The package I got from.
I know too much, but now it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust us. Don't get sick of us. You my salty.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dudu, back at it again with another banging video. And in today's video, as you already see by the title, we are doing a travel vlog. And guys, this is not clickbait, we are actually traveling. Okay, we're actually traveling. It might not be like outside the country or whatever, but we're traveling out of the city. From when I set foot in this country, I have been in the city and I'm finally traveling. So yeah, you guys, I'm traveling to Birmingham for a birthday party and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be traveling with someone and then friends, you know, it's just gonna be a fun time. It's actually a surprise birthday party, so that makes it even more exciting. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are feeling the energy that I'm feeling right now, because we are finally going to leave the area of London and see what else is out there. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, anyway, today's the day before. I'm actually traveling tomorrow, and so I just decided I will start the vlog today. Before we actually get into this video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you're as excited as I am, and you know, yeah, let's get into it. So you guys, the other reason why I actually started this video today now is because I have to first ask you guys, do you guys believe in miracles? Because I very much do. So I ordered like a dress, like, you know, an outfit or whatever, a dress and shoes a while back, and everything was supposed to come on Saturday, and I'm traveling on Saturday, and I came back from the city center today and my packages had arrived. Like, you guys, you cannot tell me that is not a miracle. Like, I had even made a plan B. Do you know what happens when you make a plan B and stop setting your head towards what you had decided at first and stop stressing about it? Things just work out. Things just work out. So anyway, I'm just gonna give you guys a little haul. This is the package I got from Shein. So first I got this dress. So it's just like a black dress, some kind of tie situation going on at the back, and it's just like a short dress. It has one of those like fronts that like fall like that, and yeah, so that's the first. And then I just got this as my backup dress because it has color. I think this is tie-dye. This is the front, so it has like that detail in the front, and yeah, it's also a short dress. Then I got like just a phone case. I've been loving like the color green, so yeah. And I got a necklace and pearly necklaces as well. So yeah, that's what I got from Shein. I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when I'm like doing other preparations, because yeah, today is the day before the travel and I need to really, you know, get everything down, because tomorrow we are going and I'm so freaking excited. As you can see, I have one hand painted and this one's not painted, so I also need to do that later. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later when we're doing like packing and painting the other hand and doing all those little last things, because yeah, I don't want to make like the day before too long. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
So you guys, I just finished doing my nails. As you saw, it's really late right now. It is 1:09 a.m. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep. I've already packed. I was just like, everything was a bit, so I didn't like film that. But this is a travel vlog, so I'm pretty sure some of you guys are just interested in me traveling. And so yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. So excited.
tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. So today is the next day. Today is actually travel day. I'm already packed, already prepared. I'm just gonna show you guys my travel fit, you know, and then we're gonna leave. So don't mind my messy room, but I'm just wearing like comfy clothes, joggers and a tank, and then these Adidas shoes, and then I'm also gonna carry this jacket because it's kind of like a little bit cold. So yeah, this is what we are doing. Just a quick update before we go. I'm actually traveling with someone else who's also going for the surprise party, and we are going with a bus because it's so much cheaper, you guys. And yeah, so basically from here I'm gonna take a train to the bus stop, and then we're taking a bus, and it's gonna be 2 hours and 55 minutes to Birmingham, and I'm literally so excited. I'm literally so excited. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys are ready. Today is about to be so lit. Like, I don't think y'all are ready. Are you ready? Anyway, yeah, let's get into it.
You present instead of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language.
So you guys, I just got to Victoria Station, and now I am heading to the coach station. And yeah, I had to put on my glasses because I am blind. You guys probably don't know this, but I am blind.
You're speaking my love language. Oh, won't you let me in? So we can get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay. And why don't you just talk to me? 'Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
So you guys, I just got to Birmingham, and we still have to like travel to the hotel we're staying at, and then, you know, figure everything out. But we're here.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you.
So you guys, we are at the hotel we're staying at. It's called Premier Inn, and the birthday girl is also here, but it's a surprise birthday party, so we have to hide. So yeah, it's a bit funny, but it's exciting. We're finally here. We got lost so many times, but we're here and the fun is about to begin. We're gonna get ready and then go to the restaurant, then surprise her, and then it's gonna be a party. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited, and I'll catch you guys later.
98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True now, cry and get known. Hope you free your soul.
Guys, this is the room. I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. This is the entrance. There's that little cabinet. The room is like this. Then there's a bathroom. Cute little something. Tub, shower, nice mirror to get ready. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a cute little room. It's a budget inn, I think that's what it's called. So yeah.
Few inches later.
Now I'm just gonna get ready and see what the plan is, because what happened is, I feel like I haven't updated you guys, but so we're at the hotel with the birthday girl and her friend, and then some of us, like a few of us, also came. We're at the same hotel, but we have to leave early and go to like the venue before them so that we can get there and surprise them. But then like we're basically in the same hotel, so that's why everything is a bit sneaky and you haven't seen a lot of people. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready.
Hour later.
My phone. So you guys, it's much later and I was getting ready in a rush. I'm literally in the Uber on the way to the venue for the party, and I didn't even get to like get ready with you guys or anything, but I'm in the Uber and hopefully things calm down from here, because we left probably like 5 minutes before the other guys left, the ones with the birthday girl, so we almost spoiled the surprise, but it's okay, it's all good. At least we're on our way, do you know what I mean? And I'll show you guys when we get there. We're going to a place called Ekaya Bar and Grill, which is exciting because they have like barbecue food, braai meat. Like if you don't know what braai is, it's barbecue. And yeah, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I guess I'll show you guys my outfit and everything when we get there, because there was literally no time for me to do anything. But yeah.
City. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much.
Morning guys, so today is the next day, and I know my like last night I didn't vlog very well because it was like a private event, so I didn't want to like show too much, and I was trying to just like be there because it was not my like event, you know what I mean? So yeah, last night it was crazy and it was so much fun, so much happened, so many crazy things, but like it was really fun. And yeah, today is basically the day we're going back, so it's morning and I'm about to like get ready to like travel and everything, because we have to check out of the hotel at like 12 or before 12. But yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys because I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. But yeah, that's what's up.
And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much.
We're leaving.
Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, simmer, time for queen, my squeeze a night. Who opens up, this package is too tight, huh, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that, ah yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes the sex her best friend last. Oh, your daddy gonna beat my ass. Too much, because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of it.